my God, we did it! We did it! We did it! We made it to 100,000 subscribers on Nicki's Homemade Crafts YouTube channel, and the silver play button is finally on its way. But one of the things that I said right away is we're going to have a big giveaway once I reach 100K, and it's time to talk about the big giveaway. Quick introduction, I am Nicki of Nicki's Homemade Crafts, and today we're going to talk about how you can have a chance to win one prize out of 25 winners in a total giveaway of almost $2,000 worth of products we're giving away. Let me talk about all the details because I'm sure you want to have a chance to win one of these amazing prizes. The first thing I want to say, I want to thank every single one of you guys. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been able to do this. So I'm super duper grateful for every single one of you guys' views, shares, likes, comments. You guys are incredible. Thank you guys for being here on this journey with me. And we are making Nicki's Homemade Crafts a big crochet channel to help as many crocheters in this community as possible. So you guys are a big piece of this amazing accomplishment, so thank you. But I also want to thank all the big brands, yarn companies, and crochet companies, and all the other brands who have ever supported me in the past and got me to this point. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Now, speaking of brands, they're the ones who stepped it up and said, Nicki, we're going to celebrate with you together and your community this huge milestone. So let's go through the prices on what you can have a chance to win. And at the end, I'll tell you how you can win these. Sounds good? We're going to start right away with Lion Brand. Lion Brand has incredible yarn. Their selection of yarn is so broad, so detailed, and the quality is exceptional. I absolutely love their yarn. They're really good in working with the crocheters and designers together. I love this company. They're family owned, and I appreciate them that they are providing us yes, you heard that right, two $75, let's call them gift cards, although not really gift cards, let me explain, for two winners. There are some requirements. You have to be in the US or Canada in order to be part of the drawing for the Lion Brand yarns. Okay, so let me explain. Lion Brand is giving away $75 worth of yarn. But the winners get to pick the yarn, okay? And then the winners have to provide me with the names of the yarn and the colors that are worth in total of $75. So that way Lion Brand can ship it over to you and you get to enjoy your price. So that's Lion Brand for you. That's incredible. Two prizes from them, $75 worth of yarn. Amazing giveaway price. But that's not all. We're gonna keep going because there's other brands that also contributed, and we're gonna hop into Furls. Furls Crochet, incredible hooks, one of the most luxury hooks out there, and you have seen me use it over and over again. My favorite one being their metal streamline hooks. Oh, I love those ones. The Odyssey hooks, of course, too. Those are my two favorite hooks that I use all the time. If you have seen me use it, you know what I'm talking about. And Furls is providing 3 gift cards for winners worldwide. Yes, so anywhere in the world you are in, you have a chance to win one of these gift cards. They're giving away 3 gift cards, each worth $100. That's amazing! I mean, what a cool price. I absolutely love for you guys to win this one, so make sure you hit all the requirements in order to have a chance for this one. Thank you for also providing these prizes so you can have a chance to win these. Now, there are more brands who provided us with amazing gifts, and let's shout out Knitting Fever. Knitting Fever is an amazing company that specifically works with local yarn shops. So not the big brand stores, right? And they are incredible. Their yarn is really cool, and they're very special yarn. So I love their yarn, but they also have cool hooks. So you got to check those out. And Knitting Fever is providing us with also 3 prizes. prizes, but each of those prizes are worth $200. Yes, you heard that right. The requirements to be part of that specific giveaway is also US and Canada. So you have to be in the US and Canada in order to have a chance to win one of these. So let's go through the prices for Knitting Fever. One of the prizes is going to be a Noro yarn. Hopefully I said that right. Noro yarn and Lykke yarn, a Lykke yarn set. I'm really not sure if I'm pronouncing those right, but I love them. Okay, I have that hook set myself and it's really, really cool. I really like that the wood part is really nice and smooth. I specifically love their Tunisian one. Ooh, that one is a good one. You got to check that one out. Anyways, you can have a chance as one of the prizes is Noro yarn and the Lykke crochet hook set, the regular one, together into one package, and that is one prize. The second prize is instead of Noro yarn, you're going to be able to get Juniper Moon Farms yarn as well as the Lykke crochet hook set. Now, prize number 3 from Knitting Fever is a variety of mystery yarn plus the hook set as well. So each of those 3 prizes is worth $200. So that is incredible. So make sure you sign up for the giveaway so you have a chance to win one of these prizes. Thank you, Knitting Fever, for providing these amazing prizes so you have a chance to win these. But we have another yarn company that is providing some really incredible gift cards, and that is Premier. Premier is providing us with 2 $100 worth of gift cards, and again, those gift cards are worldwide. So anyone can win those who follow the requirements listed in the giveaway. I am really thrilled about this one because that gives you a variety of chance to pick out any of their yarns, and I love their yarns. One of the first yarns I work with. I still love their yarn. I use it all the time, and you can even see some of it behind me here. I really think that you would enjoy the yarn just as much as I do, so maybe you're going to be one of those prize giveaway winners. We'll see. But we have one more brand that provides us with giveaway prizes, and that is Volari. Have you ever seen the Volari pillow? I showed it off right here in this video that I use this pillow literally every time I crochet now. It has helped my back, my neck. I'm less in pain. Love, love, love this pillow. And they're giving us 3 pillows to give away. And again, the requirement is US and Canada for those who have a chance to win. And you should definitely check out their pillows in case you're not winning, because I have a coupon code of 15% off. Everything is linked down below in the description as well as my website. If you're not one of the winners, don't worry, you can still get it as a discount. But that's not all, because why only the brands giving everything away? I would love to give something away too. So for me, to you, you have a chance to win 10 ebooks. Yup, I'm giving away 10 ebooks of your choice. So that means 10 winners, 1 ebook per winner, and I'm giving it away worldwide. So anyone can have a chance to win one of my ebooks. I have 25 different variety of ebooks, from thermal crochet to mosaic crochet to filet crochet, even hats and scarves and all kinds of variety of different patterns, all around a specific theme. So if you haven't checked out my ebooks yet, you might want to take a look. And the last 2 prizes are also from me, yours truly. Those are going to be yarn mystery goodie boxes that I typically only give away for those who live in the US and are a new annual The Crochet Club member from our membership that join at a specific time of the year. So not everyone can get these yarn boxes, and you can't even buy them. One of these yarn boxes is going to go to 2 winners, 1 each, and you have to be in the US in order to have a chance to win one of these yarn boxes. So in total, that is 25 different prices in a value of total of $2,000. What? Yup, that is incredible. Now, how can you win this, and when will I announce the winners? That's an important subject, of course. So I have a link down below in the description. You're going to click that very first link. It's going to hop you over to our website, nickishomemade.crafts.com, okay? And /giveaway. giveaway. You're going to scroll down, read all the information, make sure you follow all the yarn companies involved in this giveaway. Yep, I will check, so make sure you follow them, okay? And you will go through the Rafflecopter pop-up thing. You're going to enter all your information, do everything it says there. I think it's like about 5 or 6 requirements you have to go over, okay, to make sure that you follow all the rules. Remember that no social media or whatsoever is associated with this giveaway. Only the brands and Nicki's Homemade Crafts is associated with this giveaway. So be aware of scammers out there, okay? It's only us, and the giveaway is only through me, okay? So make sure. And when will you know whether you won or not? We're going to have a big live stream here on YouTube on Saturday, the 31st of August. And it's going to be at noon Pacific time, okay? So let me say that again. August 31st at noon Pacific time, I'm going to announce all the winners, okay, for every single prize. And then those winners have to reach out to me, unless I had the email address, so I reached out to you at that point, okay? So you can get your prizes. I am really excited for this. We're going to make this a big party because not only will I announce the winners during that time, it will be also the very first time I'm going to reveal the YouTube play button to everyone. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Seriously, I'm going to put it hopefully right here in this area. I'm really excited to show it off because I personally haven't seen it yet. It's on its way to me, so I can finally show it off, and my hope is to reveal it at the moment we have our big live stream. So that means not only will I reveal the silver YouTube play button, but I'm also going to reveal the winners of this mega giveaway. Whew, I'm so excited. Are you excited? Okay, so now that you know all the different information pieces of this mega giveaway, make sure that you also share this video. Tell your friends. Sharing is caring, right? We want to give everyone a chance to win one of these incredible prizes. So see the link down below in the description. Check out all the different prizes. Follow all the different companies that I just mentioned to make sure that you have all the requirements set going through the Rafflecopter. Follow all the rules and you have a chance to win. And maybe I'll announce your name next Saturday on August 31st at noon Pacific time here on YouTube. If you're in my newsletter, which you should, it's one of the requirements of the giveaway, then you will know when the live stream is happening, meaning you will get a link in our newsletter so you know exactly where to go to figure out whether you won at the giveaway. So what do you think? Are you in? Let's celebrate together. Go through the giveaway instructions, and I'll see you at the big live stream on Saturday. Until then, bye-bye!